Hey guys, Harold here. This is at the Rapid TCT. I'm Uniz? Uniz, right? Uniz, yeah. I can't even pronounce things today. This is Humin. Humin's been giving me lots of good information. These guys say they're the world's fastest 3D printer. I'm tempted to believe them because I'm seeing some stuff as we go. They are a resin printer. They say they use a combination of a very specific wavelength and a resin formulated for that, even though the resins will work with a full 5. If you're looking at some of the stuff they got going on here, that just came off the printer. And if you want to look here, as we get even closer, 6 minutes, 19 minutes, 22 minutes, and look at the level of detail. I think it's friggin' awesome. But that would have took 10, 12 hours on a normal printer, is that right? 10, 12 hours on a normal printer. You guys can do it in 22 minutes. I look forward to seeing more of you guys, I'll tell you that. I think it's fantastic. Thank you very much, Humin, for all your information. And I'll check you guys later.